Ensuring your aged care facility is a safe environment is a big job. Cleaning processes can be difficult to track and manage with so many responsibilities. Are you tired of using physical cleaning lists? Overwhelmed by manual paperwork? Are you still calculating statistics using spreadsheets? Today, you may be dealing with unscheduled government audits, which means proof of cleaning services need to be located and presented in real time at all times. And blind spots on processes and staff management. The SMARTCLEAN app can help. An all-in-one intuitive platform designed to optimise current cleaning and auditing procedures, managing cleaning staff, and increase efficiency. Moving to a digital solution allows you to free up resources, all while remaining compliant under the 2018 Royal Commission into Aged Care Quality and Safety. Using SMARTCLEAN means automating your cleaning protocols and reorganising your practices. With 3 different views, Cleaner View, Supervisor View and Manager View, all staff members can reap the benefits of SMARTCLEAN. Get more efficient today.